The role of product analytics team in eToro is to help product build the right roadmap and work on the right features and prioritize this in the best way possible. So I'm Guy. I'm the product analytics team lead in eToro. We actually track the whole user journey. So we start with activating the users. So we'll look at the conversion rates between users registering and then doing an extensive know your customer process. And then we want to see how much of them actually deposit and do their first trade. After they do that, we want to track these different retention metrics, whether it's the user logging in or retention to trade. So I think the power of Mixpanel is actually not trying to find the most sophisticated problems, but actually trying and succeeding to find really simple but big problems that we still have in the product. So for example, I talked earlier about the know your customer process. So for example, you could see sometimes drops of 50% or 30% in an area or card, which doesn't make sense. And then when you break it down, you understand really quickly what the types of problems are. And that really helped us to hypothesize what the solution needs to be and actually succeed in improving those conversions, which led to a lot of value to eToro. eToro does more than 100 A/B tests a year. And the main goal of the A/B testing in eToro is to understand which features should be productionized and which not. What we do with A/B testing in eToro is to actually take the data that we have, and we can build dashboards of the A/B testing really simply within Mixpanel. And we actually use Mixpanel's metrics and tracking data that we have to build built-in eToro a platform that actually can diagnose more than 400 metrics to see different types of impacts and discover different types of causation things that are happening when we do a specific tests. I think the biggest aha moment that we had with Mixpanel is that there are a lot of tests that we thought that would have a huge impact on certain things, but we discovered that barely had impact or even had negative impact. And on the other hand, we had tests that we thought were just technical or just really small, but actually had the biggest ROI to eToro. And Mixpanel really helped us discover these in a really nice fashion.